Mm. Society hates alchemists. Society don't want me to study or practice alchemy, chemistry, the alchemical discoveries. They want to keep all this knowledge hidden because they want to keep us in the Dark Ages. In the Dark Ages, even before the alchemists of Egypt have messed around with, like the chemicals, it's the ether, the spirits, the aliens is out there. They don't want you to connect to the thing because they hate seeing other people free. They don't want you to have freedom. So what do they do? They like demonize you, and then they slap on labels that don't stick. They call you names. They call you loser. They say all kinds of stuff, all kinds of shit that isn't true. But no, they often go half a block away and then say stuff like that. But I mean, I know one thing. If one day I do turn other metals to gold and I become rich, it's gonna be my gold, not theirs. Then we'll see who's laughing. And then we'll be like, oh no, we're dying of being poor because you turned iron or lead into gold. Help, alchemist, help. Weren't you the same people making fun of me? Saying, don't be scientist. Like, you see, the carbon molecules are like Legos. They connect. You do a Grignard reaction, you can make aldehydes or ketones. You do reductive amination using Galenstan instead of mercury. You're connecting carbon to like an ammonia molecule. But first you're condensing them and then you're reducing the double bond. You get toluene and pool chlorine. Since some lithium bromide, you could chlorinate it under the power of the sun. The sunlight catalyzes. And the lithium bromide catalyzes chlorination. Those are organic chemistry reactions. Inorganic chemistry reactions are like other stuff. I mean, they have an entire like 52-minute video about this stuff. It's all about the transmutation of matter into different matter. The symbols the scrolls, the wait one moment. This is just a tiny fraction of stuff they don't want you to know. The alchemical symbol. The scroll, homemade scroll, knowledge, the alchemy. I mean, now we have the periodic table, but even back then, the ancients were not fools. They had symbols for these things. So your sulfur, mercury, the wizard, the magic is there. The salt. I made up a symbol for gallium because sure, why not? There's niter, the ether, and then the molecule, the basic molecule structure, or molecule, and then you got these potions, these elixirs, if you will. The magic for science and alchemy. And then you have there's also clovers, but that's a different story. This may not be completely clear, but it's all there. First, the solid, the liquid, the solid, like the slushy, semi-melted glass, or semi-frozen honey state, and then there's the gas state, and then there's plasma. Could include fire or electricity. There's more states of matter. There's magma, potassium nitrate, because the nitrogen's connected to these oxygens in the potassium molecule. There's the alchemical distillation. You got the alembic, the old-fashioned alembic. Now we have distillation flask, but certain instances you need an alembic. Just not sure about this one. Coagulation. This part trying to substitute mercury for gallium again. Not sure if powder of the sun can be made with gallium oxide. It has to be. You got your classic caffeine, propylhexadrine, fluoromedephanyl, phenylparacetam, hydrazide, methylpropamine, ethyl chloride, diethyl ether, not the other ether that is also important, but this is a more scientific ether. This is your toluene, acetone, methyl cyclohexane, more hydrogens than the toluene. This is butane. Gas duster, fluid, you could freeze stuff with it. difluoroethane. And you got methane. There's methane on Titan, so in theory, space travel in the future, you could fuel spacecraft with this stuff. They're like, oh no, how are we ever gonna fuel these spacecraft in the future? Well, go to Titan, grab all this extra free gas. Just like we mine for petroleum on Earth, we can mine for methane on Titan. That could power the spaceship. The end. Ammonia, salt, sulfur, silver, mercury, magnesium turnings. You got niter or salt of Peter. Potassium nitrate. Got your gallium plus acid of niter. Gallium nitrate. There was a video on this. But there's another video where you could probably use this to attack aluminum foil. Gallium plus indium. This liquid alloy can attack aluminum. You don't need no stupid toxic mercury. Mercury was great back then, but we gotta move forward. So gallium indium alloy. Add some tin-2 chloride in it, the aluminum foil. You can make a lot of hydrogen gas. I did this in the past. I made hydrogen. It's the gas that can make your voice higher, and you can ignite this gas on fire. But please if you do that, do it outside. The alchemy symbol. Gallium, indium, plus 10. You add bismuth, even more liquid metal. The hydrogen fire is a plasma. Got this corner stuff. Separation, nation states. And earth, air, water, and fire. I mean, these are the magical elements of the ground. You cannot ignore the elements. But people do, because they don't care. And chances are, everything that's built around them has been built with these elements. And sadly, we don't have enough laboratories. It's like, oh no, lab, it's scary. They're trying to turn other metals to gold, learning secrets of alchemy. Well, screw you. And you got your acid, vitriol, or so-called devil's acid, sulfuric acid. Nitric acid, which is aqua fortis, used to separate gold and silver. And then there's more. Gold.